Hello everyone, yeah, Ike Film here. You're welcome to my farm. So right now I'm going to be showing you how I protect my young vine plants. So let's get right to it. Welcome. Okay, so let's go straight to the point. I did a kind of A and B comparison. Okay, what I have right here is the snake gourd. The snake gourd is a vine plant that grows by holding itself to some support system. Okay, these are young plants. So I'm going to show you how I kept these ones well and safe, protected, and this is the other example I did without the protection. As you can see, they are all damaged and destroyed, like some pests came and ate them up. Just these two standing, these other ones are all gone. But right here, the ones I covered in a protected area are completely safe and growing fine. So what I did is to get this net. It's a mesh net, from metallic mesh net, and I had these iron poles, columns stationed around it, and all I did was to wrap the net around the poles and lock them up with some iron strings. Here we have one. Here is the second one, and I use this grid, this metallic grid, to cover the top. So when they start coming up, they like try to tangle on it and hold it for support and come over. When they get to this point, then I create the next level of and the higher level of the trellis for them to stay on. So with this simple A and B comparison, this is safe and protected and growing very fine. And right over here, these are kind of destroyed and exposed to pest hazards, as you can see. So you have any tender plants you want to protect, like vegetables and so on, pepper, tomatoes, other vine crops, you can just build something simple like this to protect them while they are young and keep them safe. Thank you very much. So much for your time. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Same time next week, I have more videos coming up. Okay, until I see you then, let's have fun, let's learn, and let's be on this great adventure. Peace.